Inside Story Uganda, real source of political updates.
Sinakalega olutwe lwako balika kuba ne bakansa omutwe olyogera abakozesa olyogera kasajja gwa bakozesanga
mzee Tamale allegation zino ezogerwa nti president Museveni atokyalinga bamuvuganya
anti yenkubuulira
no waliwo abali munda
abakolera naye afiirwa
okubanga bamufiiriza
anti kankubuulire Museveni yasinga okufiirwa lwaki if you don't want, if you think that Museveni is coming back, discredit him. Even if Museveni is not coming back, discredit him like a Moi, to the extent that people will fear to associate him. Any person who will be anointed by Museveni will fail. People will not allow an extension of Museveni's government. So Museveni is the biggest loser in this. Yes. Hey. Two, let me tell you, order. Muyina okumanya abamwe bebani. Why do schools have uniforms? Why does the police have uniform? You have a lot of money. Why do you buy vehicles that fire tear gas when the police has no vehicles? Because why the problem is olw'obulibwa ssente okulya ssente ne mulowooza nti abalala mbwa. When money comes for operation nga bannannyini nsi bavaayo poliisi tebagiwa nga baziwa Yiso has quitted this government.
Are you sure?
These operatives.
Are you sure?
And let me tell you,
how
in normal circumstances a policeman would come in the vehicle, report to the LC that you are wanted by the police.
Yes.
So that you sign in the book.
Yes.
You even inform the next of kin where they have taken you. Why do you want to use non-market vehicles? Namudia drones.
Police station ya kuchima bantu.
Yiso katabazi abo bebononye government yiso military intelligence ababatambala uniform. It would be police work. Kakati yovola nti tuyina ebintu bisatu under this situation.
So, before you go there, what is the work of ISO?
Anti kyekubuulira tuyina ebintu bisatu kati bali bagezi nti because of fear of being known, these are educated people. The policemen are educated people. One of the institutions that have outlived the regimes in Uganda is the police.
The police.
Whenever government is toppled, they tell the policeman to report to duty.
Yeah.
Kakati as a result, the police has learned how to outlive a regime. Chief test, military intelligence. Kakati as a result, if you don't use the police, no way yambisa abaleya. Even your enemies will come in and they yambisa abaleya. Kakati n'abalabe babali mu government nabo bakwata drone. Kakati the time comes you cannot explain be watwala ne ba enemies bo be batwala. Ekyo nekyo kitwala mbo ku sero ku byamafuta nti yovala ba Bobi Wine ababuuza abantu bemutayina
sawa zino.
You would go to the police station but you have safe houses. Who recorded those who went to the safe houses? No laba minister omulamba najja mu parliament yeje odongo fetu bayina nina ratio yagamba fetu bayina obayina go bakuma. What if somebody died in the police cells? Are you monitoring them are you weather focused? Are you working in the normal situation? Museveni bwayogera konti mulamu tumuyina nga bamutte ekiro nga bamukuyaza and you have committed your kubanga babikola bamunda.
Kitegedde bulungi
nti bo buli kye bakola kyonna bano bakyeyambisa nti if it was police not zino motoka drones a drone yotegeerani waliwo eya taxi waliwo eya government. Why don't you use clearly market vehicles? Tukugamba this is chobola amaje gakugamba if we find you with an item that is a monopoly of the army, you have recruited yourself mumaje. But if we have amajaga taina uniform, how will you know? Nze sina na kukiza mukazi wange kuambala kitete ekifanana bawala bange. Kati ffe tunywamu. Bwe mukwata mukabina nga ayambadde kitete kya mukazi wange nga simutegedde. How can you use a situation, a fragile situation?
Ebintu biri.
But Bobby Wine has taken advantage. Nti bana ffe bajoga aba government bejoga ffe abajogeddwa tetwogera.
Mumuli basirifu.
And people are not accepting. Because normally when you go to the police and report nti mukazi wakukubye Zimbabwe wali abakazi nga bakwata abasajja kubajja mu spams oba balekingira mu moto. But Zimbabwean police could not accept nti omusajja bamukwata. How bakwata batya? Because it's not kakati nafu aba government batutulugunyiza.
Netera sola kukkiriza.
Abagisi ba Museveni febe batulugunya. Everywhere. Nti Museveni alonzo omukazi wa Uganda Airlines bamukuba ne bamujjawo. Ne muri bani osoze mulimu omukazi gati bamukuba ne bamujjawo. Nasali bamubye bamujjewo. Anti kyenkubuulira ekitege kiri mu government munda. Nti why should somebody Museveni gwalonze find his problems kati teyalonze ensubuga omutwala mu Human Rights Commission ayinza okulemera mu gundi nenga nenga nsubuga yasooka okulwanyisa okusupport n'ekyoma kya Yesu n'amukuba ku mukolo oguli kabaka ne Katikkiro kabaka teyanyega kituufu ate nga be bayisa abaka ba Buganda kituufu but has been languishing in poverty. Yes. Naye magezi ye nkyakoma ye magezi ya John bamuwa n'obwa minister. Discrimination, tribalism. When people fail to explain nti lwaki bakutulugunya, we resort to tribalism. Why should Magezi be a minister when in Subuga? Who led it? Who started it? Kakati, how do you solve the problem? The problem one. If you want to solve the problem, do 3 things or 4. This issue of using drones should stop. Hand over the issue we have gone through election violence.
Yes.
Hand give the police its work. To arrest people. You say them or Kurianga sent military intelligence. Baja Kuria sent. Sentences bareta. All of us sent to Makatabazi. Never do can anybody cover discredit. Police and budget discrediting. Do you say yes sent?
It is flying squad, not issue.
No.
Inanga said flying squad.
Do you get anything from Inanga? When I say Nanga, I close my ear. When I say Nanga, can you believe Inanga? And that's why the good people like Kaima, the good people like the most policeman on
Asani
Kasinji. Yet Eraba Winanga. Have a phone, Inanga have a phone. Imani Kasinji, Kayima cannot do what Inanga is doing. Imani cannot do. I have a future. That's why I tell you, to work with everybody denied it, including the American Katuma. It was a real Inanga, that's the time. They don't care about their future. Abagezi baba boyita kusanga omusajja ali ku mulambo omuntu gwa Simba Justice naga nzize kuyamba ku police buteekako. Abagezi buli mugezi abagezi bonna baba batemye kuba bayina future.
Kituufu.
They use those who don't have a
future.
Can you use me who has a future? Sisobola gwadanda byekonga babinkozesa because I have a future. I've been here for a long time.
So you're saying it is easy of doing these operations?
Is a paramilitary. Is Tamale uniform. Zive mu bintu.
Police
and the matter over the role of ISO is to detect and inform side to arrest. Because ISO cannot even go, even military intelligence cannot, its evidence cannot be relied on in the court.
ISO doesn't arrest.
And then kugaita buyinza. Ebibyo ndabyekola bya bwiriri. Kubanga the only legally recognized institution mu Uganda ekwata abantu is the police. The side ejja mu court. But after killing side nemujiretamu akolo eyali owaabo bamala okutta side ne batukabalira bino paramilitary. Paramilitary tubyetaaga. tuchita security service the way they influence you zembalaba bayina obusimu buli bwe bitwaine nimba tulia ne bagamba mu highly educated am highly more trained than these people ne bakama babwe mbasinga okutegeera hagati muzeewo order Museveni has worked has made in the post election period tubadde bulungi nti all of these people they are talking about were arrested during why
byonna bikoleddwa police
ono bayogerako look at Bobby Wine. Why doesn't Bobby Wine care about his driver who was killed? Muhoozi. Why doesn't Bobby Wine pin it down those who tortured him, who beat him up? Why doesn't Bobby Wine concentrate his efforts kumukazi ekiryando nga yamugana okuyingira mu hoteli gye yesasulidde? Bobby Wine is used. Bobby Wine is an agent of people in the government. You look at how Nupu started. Nupu is a
but how many times has Bobby spoke about such issues?
That's one. Hand over the police, return the police. If the police is incapable, train other policemen. But you cannot say nti Museveni bwe yajja amaje gaavaawo gali agenda. But he adapted. Most of the people who have performed well were not originally in UPDF. Did J.J. Odongo stint in the bush? Did Onomukaramoja go to the bush? Lakala. Did Goody go to the bush? I used to see Katumba Wamala, the sports officer, UNLA, Ngasiba Nechivu. These have been made army commanders. Why? The problem was not ideology. The captain in the meetings. Captain in the meeting, I know Mukomawandi, Kamugundi Yamaji, Baina magazine Yamaji, a policeman, Nia Takatavalwa. So, which means it's not the police.
Okay.
No, it's not the police. It's not putting the army in the police work. Everybody police work. By the time Kaikula was sacked, Amajiga Garika single
police, which is
department. Department of the police, the body this way is yes, I tell you because I'm one of you. You cannot say that I'm in opposition. You say I'm a drunkard. No problem. I'm not a drunkard. But I can tell you what others fear to tell you. That's one. One afanana kitauti bamutwala mu DNA.
Ate kukola.
Ukani question. Ndisiri mwagizi wa Museveni.
Ateri asobola na chibuzo ekyo.
Nebo mwegana
era nogezo mwegana olwagamba oli kamukatemba
ebaga bazanya gunda nakati bagamba Museveni yamulagira okuvuma abantu
bwekiri era buli kyokola buli omwagamba
yes sosobola mwegana
bwekiri
but tujja kudduka kakati tasobola
we are solving the issues.
Yes.
Police is that is number one.
Yes.
But
if you have people, nga bebama nyenyo beba commando, mubambaze ngebya police. Olowooza. Emmotoka ezikulembera mu Museveni ezirimu abambadde ebya police ba police. Yes.
Si ba police.
Kakati mumukwate Yesu bujambaze eki.
Mujambaze police.
Nga bwe bagenda ku opale ati katabazi yewe kitali nnyo. Katabazi si yewe kitali nnyo mu Yesu. Kakati basajja bakatabaza abagumu ennyo abamanyi mubambaze ebyambalo bya police mubagendere mu vehicles za police ba overpowering echi quite good nti if you are going to look for a terrorist you must get a highly trained commando musajja ye blowing up atenga police ekwata buku
police kisobola
chobola bayina riot police which cannot arrest kakati if you have found a situation that the training of the police cannot confront these terrorists. Kakati mumuteke a special eyambadde uniform. But you cannot dress like the other people. Operation kale yes. Kubanga mulina okutegeera omusajja nti ayine mundu muki bani abamulumba. Naye bino ebyakyenjenje okukwata abantu kambabuulire. Abantu balina slogans. Twebaka kutulo. Kubanga nakibaga nti mutemanyi Luganda okwebaka kutulo n'okwebaka otulo n'okufuluuta n'okumba ku mpeke y'otulo these are different yawukanira okomba kutulo is sex. You are on top. Okomba ku. Why? Because people are sleeping in the churches. Sawa mwendanga abantu bagenze baduseda mu church. Could they have sex during a church? No. That's why the population has increased. Mu byalo bakugamba if a policeman comes nekwata wo omuntu babadde bakugamba mu 70 sibira abantu bwerere yakoze amanyanga ge. People would support the arrest.
Bwechiri.
Recent waliwo omusajja bamutawe wazana bajera mu ebyo bireya byabo bakuba omusajja amasasi. But the population is saying balwanidde sente babajja namasubanga ababye yamala babba ne mukazi we bamutta. Why do you kill a man and a woman? But abekyali bali bamutegera dda nti is a criminal. But the way his death extrajudicial kyekyali terror. Who is safe now? Kakati we must go back to order. Let those who arrest people, instead of buying tear gas, buy Land Rovers or another type of vehicles, clearly marked, so that the people see that this man has been taken by
this vehicle.
Kakati atatwaliddwa bali mu uniform tutegeere nti there is a group that is operating illegally. Kakati today you cannot tell
kituufu
basaga gwe batutte ne police gwe. That's why there is a disparity in figures. Kakati bano bajeje odongo abogera mu parliament tubayina obayina balaga wagoba bakwata waliwo n'abakwata abalala otamanyi
group endala ekola
ekwata gy'otamanyi kati nga kojja mu parliament nga ng'oli honest
tubalina
baliwa
balemedde okuva
temubayina. Kakati concede make a trial balance twakisoma nga mu account. Let the government state those who are under its
custody beyina
nabano baleeta ababuze wabeerewo. This work would be done by a Human Rights Commission. Matters would be referred to the Human Rights Commission. Why? Human Rights Commission is a government institution with the powers, but they don't know how to use it.
Is it independent? Esobola okuyimira mu nsonga
n'egimaliriza. But we tubalina
Tamale esobola okuyimira mu nsonga n'egimaliriza.
You can go to the Human Rights Commission without a lawyer.
Nga bwe yakola ku nsonga
Anti kyekubuulira failure be bateekayo be baani. Do they know the direction? Babatiisa. Kakati mukiriziganye. You can be declared dead by court.
Yes.
Olaba naamini mu 75 yateekawo Ali Toweri na investigating missing Ugandans and Ali Toweri Commission blamed it on Tanzanian agency be bajja mu Uganda ne bakidnapping abantu. But Amin instituted a committee under Ali Toweri to investigate missing people. The reason why Amin killed Chiwanuka, Kenyatta had intervened in Tomutta. Namuga sijja kutta ne jangu mu press conference oyogere nti obadde okwatiddwa amajega Tanzania ffe tukununudda because of his subordinates Chiwanuka. That's why he died.
Okay.
Kapiteni Muzeyi Yosa, bamusajja bamuyitanga Kapiteni Muzeyi Yosa, yamukima mu judicial. Kapiteni Muzeyi Yosa. Kakati after having a list then we compare. Kubanga mukimwerabira Bwanika yagamba konti tuteese nabo. What Bobi Wine wants is Segirinya and
Alan Sewanya.
You know, not diversion. The next person they are targeting is Mao. Because it was assumed that Mao was going to release political prisoners, separate political prisoners from criminals. What Mao can do, which over about Segirinya, we bamukwata. Akasajja kabukidde akaseketi kakubanga segiri. Ali Netherlands. There is a strong bond between criminals and monitor and the bookkeeper.
Let me ask you this question. Do we have political prisoners?
Anti if they are not charged. Do you know Twitter? Prisoners of conscience. Political prisoners. Kakati, are these criminals? Kubanga by responding to violence. Kayigula had handled the violence. None of these people has not used violence.
Yes.
Basically, one, the Bavuka want to change. Bayina amaanyi baba wa sente ne bajja mu kibuga banywa enjaga
kituufu
mbabazi a gentleman also resorted to the
yabayinanga
bani kababayita bani poor youth Kayibula battled the poor youth ne Museveni n'abawenguzi ne bavaayo kakati Bobi Wine yasanga an experience Kayibula bamaze omungwa olwamali nasanga Kayibula ng'akaka ne wugo kasaga kali muzeyi tuyiti tugende nga nti si muzeyi olunakwata ku sente za security cameras ng'embwa bagikanya and that's what has happened toyina kwata kantu konna toyina kubeera mbwa buli wali sente ne bayina ogirya ate malicious emanleke Kayibula eyakola emirimu omulugo gundi ennyo kakati by the time these people started their violence an experience hand of Kayibula had gone. This explained the violence. Kakati bo mu Baganda ffe tulina proverb tokugamba bw'olwana n'omutemu olubale bwe tokyawoza olubale towoza naye toga nti yampolovokinze the most injured person is innocent. If you find your wife in bed with another man and you beat the woman thoroughly, abantu bagamba tukikolanga omwana wa muno wali mulese n'agenda abantu bakuba because you have gone to the extent of punishing. Kakati government cannot win a case against NUP however much NUP is provoked government ne bonoona ebintu ne bakola ki no why NUP eyina abasibe gwe bootayina NUP erese bannamwandu erese bamulekwa abakazi ne bakola kisimu naffe tubeera tax neraba ono mukwate omukazi najumya nali nakawere babakozesanga olunaku lumu mwenna mubeere bannakawere but sympathy they are looking for sympathy they expect government eyinawo ekiviiramu kakati the government eyina kukola reforms. Let the government accept the responsibility. We have government has an escape route until one naffe batubonyabonya n'abayo babatta who killed them balumba ne police station ne batta abasirikale who is doing this? Is government doing it itself? Tulina mu group tukoleramu. The second issue is nti safe houses zaali ziwambiddwa nga baziteeka bajjuuko abantu yali jjuuko kakati kyenkubuulira nenkugamba nti ekyo nga mumaze okifuna apologize to the population.
Who is to do that?
Government mulete measures compensate these through Uganda Human Rights Commission. Family z'abantu bano
rehabilitate the people.
Yes. Kati two ng'ekyo mukimaze. Change the names that has caused you trouble. Change ISO to Security Monitoring Group organization.
Kino kiveewo
yiseveewo nga special gundi bureau nga NASA nene veewo. These are scaring names. Name each another name. But changing the structures nga mazo jono ne mutwalayo no musajja gentleman aliyo. People here buli wabulya iso abera scared. Safe houses muzifule. Security houses mukijewo. Get the stigmatized names. Ziveewo.
Banabigala bazeera bili.
Yes. You can even have a gundi narufenya mujitume criminal rehabilitation center narufenya evewe yerabirwe mbantu. You remove the stigmatized names, the disqualified names muzijewo. Yiso to SMO Security Monitoring Organization. Yiseveewo. The name is should go. Is tainted. Narufenya should go.
Amanya kona kali gatisa abantu.
Yes.
Agate naku mitima gy'abantu. Gaveewo. Bagera biri. Kituufu ekyo. Bagera biri. Mukole endagaano empya ey'olubeerera Jesus ye yakola. We shall never let us strengthen the police to do its work. The army should only come in when the enemy is also armed. That's why in many countries, depending on the security situation, police commanders in Kenya batandika okukola insecurity baleeta Major General ali n'akulira polisi ya Kenya nga it required to shoot and sight. On site, okay?
Yes. When you go to Nigeria, because the Nigerians, you cannot have a country of 150 billion people when they have scarce resources. Every Nigerian is a ruffian.
because they have to survive in hard conditions in spite of the oil resource. Kakati in those countries, the military, Kenya bali batya nyama je, bali batya an argument. Should we contribute to foreign intervention or to build more hospitals? The argument is in Kenya. The argument is in Kenya. Should we build more hospitals or kakati for some international relations with Uganda? A country that cannot commit, sacrifice its children for overseas, it's not domestic, it's not a country. China, China, Burundi. Kakati, that's one. Security, human rights violations, I have given you the background and how to solve it.
And how to solve it, yes.
Highlight the fact that we are also affected. Even the government, Apiriga, when Museveni referred to Apiriga in the State of National Address, by the time he came to for a parliament for the financial budget address, Apiriga had been killed. Apiriga Taina Bana. Why don't we count? Why don't you people count? Counter. Bobby Wine by also parading your own widows.
Bagwani ngina pale dinga babe na mumuleta babu nikambe get tafuta bana abaffe.
Yes, if it is a question of government inti yebata and explaining under what circumstances. Most of these people were arrested during a riot. You came out to burn the city. How can I fail to explain this? How can government fail to have a person to explain this?
Taina bogezi.
Kagati mbabuli echa oil. It's a simple matter. They are for to gamba mu Baganda. Nti omuzi